Hey guys, this is your lesson 4.01 video to help explain this introduction to word processing lesson. The good news is I believe you've all seen Microsoft Word already because we have been using it already in this Access class. And you may have already used it in other classes at school as well. So this lesson gives you an example here of if your teacher wanted you to write a letter to 20 different people, how the most efficient way of going about doing that would be. The objectives, the things that you need to learn from this lesson are how to utilize word processing software to demonstrate professional writing skills by producing and editing business correspondence documents. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Learn. Okay, I want you to read over this. It explains what word processing programs do, what their purpose is. But notice down here at the bottom, you will see all these different links. This is because I don't know which version of Microsoft Word your school computer lab that you're in has installed. So whichever one that may be, if it's 2010, 2013, or the most current, 2016, then click on that. So we'll just go with 13 to be on the safe side. This will give you information about Microsoft Word 2013. So you've got Office Basics. Sorry, I'm having trouble speaking this evening. Working with your Microsoft account in OneDrive. Understanding Office 365. So you can see each of these is a link you can click on. The most important things I think you need to know about for this lesson would be these word basics. So 4 through 8, well, I'm sorry, it keeps going. 4 through 9 actually is probably going to be the most important stuff that you want to look at because you don't have to worry about printing anything out in 10. And working with text, we'll probably get into that a little bit more in depth in the next few lessons. So click on each of these links. When you do, it's going to take you to another video and some information about that. So I know it's a lot to read and scroll through, but I promise you will find it very useful and it will help you to do the assignment. Oops, I did not mean to get completely out of that. Let me go back in here. Oh, here it is. Okay, so after you've gone through Learn, and remember, click on whichever link it is for whichever version that is installed on your school computer. And if you're not certain, ask your facilitator. She can probably help you figure that out. Okay, then for Try It, all it wants you to do is open a blank Word document, go to this link so you can get the words to the Pledge of Allegiance in case you don't know it by heart. And it just wants you to type that into a Word document. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this tab. Go back here. No, this one I have to hit the back button. No, not that one. Okay, let me go back in this way. Sorry guys, it's been a long week. Okay, so after you've done Try It and you have typed out the Pledge of Allegiance, it also asks you to play around with the formatting and change the size of your words, change your font type, etc. But that's just for practice. This is your actual task. The assignment is to begin a new word processing file, type a description of your business that includes the following information. So it can be any type of business you want, as long as it's school appropriate. But think of a business you would like to start and imagine you're opening that business. So you're going to put the title of your business in the document. You're going to describe it, what your purpose or mission is, who the owner is, the hours of operation, and the location. And then these are the guidelines you have to go by. You have to use Times New Roman font, size 12, make that dark gray. Set your margins for 1 inch from the top, bottom, left, and right. Put the title of the business centered at the top, and all your paragraphs need to be left aligned. Okay, so just to make sure you know how to do that, let me show you. Let me open Word on my computer. You can see I'm on version 2016. Okay, so I'm going to open a blank document. Now, first thing I want to do is open my Home tab on the ribbon. In case you don't know, this up here is called a ribbon. And each of these little headings like File, Home, Insert, Design, these are all called tabs. So on your Home tab, this is where you'll find your font type. You can click this arrow and change to Times New Roman. You can start typing in the first few letters of the font name and it will take you directly to it, and then you don't have to scroll through the whole list. And your font size is supposed to be 12. So this is where you change your font size. This is where you change your font colors. Okay, what else are we? We have to center the title. So you can center it right here. And anytime you're not certain or you can't remember where to find something, you can always hover over any of these little icons with your mouse. You see all these screen tips popping up? It will tell you what the name of it is. Okay, so if you're not certain, worst case scenario, hover and click on different things till you find what you're looking for. Now, as far as the margins, you need to go to the Layout tab. This is where you'll find the place to set your margins. Okay. Also, left align. You'll find left align here with center. I believe those are all the things, the requirements that you had to have for that document. Okay. Make sure you go to File and Save when you're done. You'll want to go to Save As, and you'll want to save it into the Unit 4 folder that you create on your computer. So you'll be able to screenshot that later. Okay, so I think you know a lot of that already because of the fact that we've been using Microsoft Word for this class. As always, if you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to email me. Okay, I hope y'all have a good week, good day, evening, morning, whichever time of day it might be that you're watching this video. All right, thanks guys.